All right, good afternoon. It's Sunday the 26th. Here's the rundown for pre-calc this week. We are going to have 2.5 sections. We're going to start on Monday with 10.1. That is Introduction to Analytic Geometry, and that is going to involve distance formula, midpoints, and a couple things with quadrilaterals. So those notes will be posted. Obviously, you can watch the video for that, along with the homework assignment for 10.1. That is going to be due Tuesday night at 11:59. On Wednesday, the notes for 10.2 will be posted. 10.2 is circles. So that should pretty much be a review for most of you as far as equation of a circle, finding the center point, radius, and such. That homework will also be posted with the notes on Wednesday, and that will be due Thursday evening. Friday, we will transition to 10.5. So the sections in this chapter go out of order. We'll do 10.1, 10.2. Then we'll go to 10.5, which is parabolas, and we will spend 3 days there. We'll start on Friday with parabolas that have a vertex at 0, 0. Then next week we'll get into what happens when parabolas have a vertex that's not at 0, 0. And then that homework will be given obviously on Friday and will be due next week. So that's our rundown. No weekly review sheet this week. Just we're going to have, for the next couple weeks, will be the homework by section will be due, and that's how we'll handle that rather than having to review worksheets. So it'll be a smaller chunk, but it'll be due every couple of days. The live help sessions this week will be Tuesday and Thursday. Those will be at 11 a.m. Again, use the code on Google Meet, PC Kosanke, all one word. I will be there to answer any questions you have about the notes, about the homework, or pre-calc in general. All right, have a great week. Welcome back, and we'll see you soon.